Apple Watch users may occasionally see a black screen with a squiggly line that looks like a charging cable and lightning bolt, and when the screen is active, you'll find your Apple Watch is not usable. You may run into this screen after an Apple Watch has not been in use for a while, and you may even run into the squiggly line screen on a brand new Apple Watch that you have just opened out of the box. The lightning bolt is sometimes red and sometimes the lightning bolt is green, but both are not. I have found out some workable tips to fix the problem. The squiggly line screen appears when the Apple Watch has a very low battery charge level. It implies that your Apple Watch must be charged before it can be used again. Now connect the Apple Watch to its charging cable and leave it charging for at least a few hours. Overnight is often ideal in this particular situation. Now make sure that the Apple Watch itself and the Apple Watch charger is free from any obstructions, factory packaging, and factory plastic wrap. Then make sure the Apple Watch is properly seated on the Apple Watch charger. Also ensure that the Apple Watch is perfectly connected to a strong power source, whether a wall charger or a plugged-in Mac. If the Apple Watch is still not charging after a few hours, I would recommend you to try a different power charging source or a different USB port. And if the Apple Watch is still not charging, I would also suggest you to connect the charger to a Mac or PC and let it charge from there. And that's all there is to it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix the Apple Watch squiggly line screen problem. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the issue and your Apple Watch has started to work as usual. Now that we have sorted out the problem, make sure to say your feedback as well. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Apple Watch tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.